What's up, guys? How you guys doing? David O with you guys here. Thank you for joining me. If you guys are new to this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, online businesses, passive income, other ways to make money online, right? Today, we're going to be doing a step-by-step way or a guide on how to promote links and products from ClickBank, okay? I'm going to take you inside ClickBank. We're going to be picking out products. I'm going to show you which products are good, how to find the good ones, because believe it or not, there are some bad products in ClickBank, and that's kind of where they get their reputation. Sometimes they get a bad reputation just because of those bad products, a good bunch that's out there, okay? We're gonna break it down. This is not gonna be a scam, okay? ClickBank is free to join. Once you join, you can start making money by grabbing those links and start throwing them out and driving traffic into your links, okay? So we're gonna break it down like I said. Let me take you into my computer and we're gonna be doing this, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to ClickBank. So right here, so we're going to click in, so clickbank.com, you're going to go into this main page right here. If you haven't signed up, you go ahead and sign up. Like I said, it's going to be free to sign up. You'll be able to, this is where you're going to put in all your information, what country you're at, and don't worry, it's not just for the US. There's going to be for other countries. Once you go into that whole process, I'm not going to go through it since I'm already signed up and everything, but you go ahead and pick your country and everything, and then they'll just take it down from there. So once you log in and you get registered and everything, you're going to go to your main page. So this is going to be your main page here. It's going to have your name, all your information, your payment information. Like I said, if you're from a different country, even if they don't have some kind of connection there, they'll be able to send you a check wherever you're actually at. So just kind of look down, put in your information. So this is going to be your main screen here. You're going to kind of see on the left-hand side, this is going to be all the blocks that you're going to have. You're going to have everything from your actual ID, your nickname, that's going to, so they know it's you that's going to, selling the product. So you're going to have all your stats, your reports. Let's see. Oops, I went back too far. Let me just get back in real quick. Okay, so you're going to have, like, let's say your nickname. So this is going to be, my nickname is Pilot301 right here, and this is pretty much going to be your nickname that you're going to be, so they know who is who. Right here on the left-hand side, Marketplace. This is going to be where you are going to pick your links. So there's so many links, so many products that you can actually pick at. And like I was saying earlier, ClickBank does have some bad products out there, and those few do put a bad reputation, and I'm going to show you how to pick the good products, how to promote them, what you got to do and everything. So right here, you're going to go down and you could pretty much pick whichever products that you want. So my recommendation is going to be pick something that you like, that you have fun with, because it's a lot easier to sell. It's a lot easier to make money on. So the three big categories to sell in affiliate marketing is going to be health, wealth, and relationship. Okay, health is obviously fitness. Everybody wants to get healthy. Everybody wants to look good. There's always going to be a demand for that. Wealth is money. Of course, people are always going to try to make money, make ways to make money online, if it's going to be a side hustle, whatever, another job or whatever. And relationships, okay? Of course, there's always going to be guys out there, girls or whatever, trying to pick up guys, girls, dating, relationship, weddings, pregnancy, if you're having a baby, how to raise a baby. So those are the three main categories, okay? I like to do health and wellness, but I also do education and then the wealth business. So right here, so health is always a very good section or a category that you can actually go into, because you can never go wrong. There's always a need. There's always going to be a demand for people trying to lose weight, trying to get fit, trying to eat right, or whatever, right? So these all right here are going to be different sections, and you kind of see that the average sale, that's the first thing that catches our eye, right? 145, 108. Well, cool, man. I want to promote that. But we also have to look at what's called the gravity. So the gravity is going to be down here. You can kind of see gravity is 576. What the gravity is pretty much it determines how many affiliates are using this link and this product and promoting it, and how many are getting good results. So generally, you want to stay above 25, 50. Anything above 50, that pretty much means that affiliates are having good results with this. They're making sales and they're also getting paid. So this one's at 596. So that's actually really good. But on another side, you don't want to go way too high to say like 1,000, right? You don't want the gravity to be 1,000. You want to be too high, because then that market's going to be a little bit saturated in that department. Okay, so you want to pick like that middleman. 500 is actually really good. And right here, you obviously have your average sale, which is 145. It's not saying that that's how much you're gonna make every time. That's just the average on whatever products the customer buys, okay? This link up here on the top, the biggest blockbuster of 2020, this is gonna be the link or the website that the customer is gonna click and gonna go to, okay? This link down here is gonna be our page. So this is gonna talk about all the information on our side as far as what the company is going to show us, how much we're going to get paid. They're going to give us information, probably pictures. Some people already provide sales funnels, pictures, videos, whatever. So you could kind of see, if you kind of scroll down here, you kind of pick which one you like, you know, just kind of go through them. So I've actually used, or I've done the keto diet here. So the average sale is 43, and you kind of see that the gravity is 340. Okay, so that's not bad. It's kind of like in the middle. Okay, people, a lot of affiliates are having good products, are having good reviews, they're selling, they're doing good with this. That's how you pick the good with the bad, and it kind of tells you the gravity is like a report. Okay, that's how that's how we kind of determine which are good or bad. So let's say, so if I click on this link up here, this is going to be what the customer sees. So as soon as you send them from your sales funnel or wherever from your link, this is what they're going to see, and it's going to take them here. Generally, on the majority of these pages, you're going to have a video, because nowadays in 2020, a lot of people don't like really reading, texting. It's all about video, visualizing. So a lot of these videos are actually converting very, very well. So this is what the customer is going to see. They're going to go through this. I'm not going to take you through this, but they're going to go through this through the process, and of course, if they like it, they're going to pay. If they pay and buy, you get a commission. Down here, this link right here is going to be ours, the affiliate link. This is what we're going to look into. So they're going to show us, hey, how much we're going to pay you, when do we pay you, if you need information, service, or whatever. So right here on the side, you see that they have so much information that you could actually post on your funnels. So affiliate links, product information if you need more info. Let's see, banners of. I'm not going to take you through the whole thing, but you can kind of see that they actually go and give you a lot of information. Look at that, videos down here. So it's actually pretty good. So let's say you wanted to actually, okay, cool. And then, like I said, like I'm just kind of showing you which products to choose, but at the end of the day, you have to do your own research. You know, what do you feel comfortable about? Do you feel comfortable promoting keto diets? Do you feel more comfortable promoting something about fitness, muscle, that you're more into the gym? You know, maybe you're not even into the fitness thing. Maybe you're in the wealth, maybe you're in another category, whatever. So this is where you have to do your own research, and you kind of look at, okay, yeah, you know what, I could probably look at this and promote it, because and I'll show you later on where we're going to promote it, between organic traffic and paid traffic, and that's where it's actually going to make sense on that. You have to pick an actual product that you're comfortable with, that you feel good about promoting. All right, guys. So the whole process is for you to put your link out to the traffic there. They're not going to come to us. We have to come to them. Okay, so we have to post it on social media, on the internet, making blogs, different places on how to post it. Okay, like I said in the earlier, we're not going to be talking about paid ads. Paid ads, we're going to pay and they're going to post it for us, but we're going to go organic side. Okay, let me show you something here real quick. So let me get on here and let me just look up the 5 best pillows there. So I'm going to be looking up a blog post here on the 5 best pillows, or 10 here. So kind of see. So right here, you kind of see that this is going to be a blog. Somebody actually posted this, Lexi here, and she talks about different pillows. Okay, it could be about anything, but what she does is the majority of these are going to be affiliate links. So she's going to be giving reviews, talking about it, and at the end, you can see here, boom, shop now. So from Amazon. So if you kind of click on this, it's going to send you, and boom, right into Amazon. This is an affiliate link. And a lot of big companies actually do this. A lot of companies that we don't even know about have a lot of affiliates doing this, doing reviews, and they actually get paid very well. So thousands, probably even in the millions, these huge companies that they do this. A lot of posts, the majority of them, I'll be very surprised if I see one without any links. So just kind of showing you that you can actually go and start making blogs. It is going to take a little bit longer, but that is possible. That is one way to kind of do it. So all right, so let's get back to here. So this is the actual the keto here, we want to promote this. We're going to come down to promote. We're going to go ahead and grab our link. So we're going to put in our nickname. Mine is Pilot. We're going to generate the hop link, and it's going to give us a special link. So this is going to be the link that we're going to be posting on different social medias and stuff. So this is, let me just show you here real quick. If I actually post it here, this is going to be the link. It's going to send you straight into their website, and of course the customers are going to go through the process and buy it. So before we get any farther, I wanted to talk to you as far as going back to the affiliate page. You're going to actually look at, and like I said, do your own research. You're going to be doing your own research as far as what product to pick, also how much the commission is going to be at. So you're going to be putting time into this and work. You want to get paid and get compensated well, right? Good. Nowadays, a lot of affiliate, a lot of websites are actually seeing that they actually benefit by using affiliates. So what they do is they start paying us a little bit better. So for example, some of these actually go up to like 50-75% of the price is what we get as a commission, which is actually very good. So compared to, I don't want to put anybody down, but like, let's say Amazon, okay? Everybody knows Amazon. Everybody knows that you can pretty much buy anything from there. But the thing is, being an affiliate, I am an affiliate for them, but being an affiliate, they actually pay very low. I think the average is like 4 or 5% that they give you from that product. So if you actually promote it, you bring anybody in there and they buy something for like $100, 4% is like $4, right? If you're trying to make a living off this, or you want to make like, let's say $1,000 days, you're gonna have to sell a lot of those $100 products just to get to your $1,000 day. So compared to like other affiliates that they actually pay you well, you'll probably have to sell a couple compared to like hundreds from Amazon. Okay, just kind of a thing. I'm not trying to put anybody down, but just kind of open your mind and kind of think about that also when you're actually promoting. You don't want to start and go deep into, let's say, custom keto right here, and all of a sudden start getting paid maybe $4 or $5 per sale. Okay, so that's also another thing that you want to actually look at. All right, guys. So now we're going to be talking about traffic. So like I was saying before, there's two different places that we can actually get traffic: organic traffic or paid traffic. We're not going to be doing paid traffic because obviously you're just going to take your link, create a Facebook ad, a Google ad or whatever, put it on YouTube, and just pay for it, and they'll let it do the rest, okay? If you're going to start off, it's actually a lot better for you to do organic traffic and go that route. It takes a little longer. It is going to be more work, but that's going to pay off in the long run. Okay, so organic traffic includes anything from you posting links on social media, which is like on your Facebook, creating a Facebook group, Instagram, TikTok right now is crazy. So you have to get on that trend right now. And of course, Pinterest. Okay, so what we're going to do is, and there's different ways, like I was saying. So like Instagram, say if you don't like showing your face on video here, you're a little shy still, you don't have to do that. You could actually post pictures and stuff, little posts. Let me show you something. So this is one that I follow. So on Instagram, so right here, Finance Father, I don't really know who this is or anything. I don't know who this is, but if you kind of see it, they have 300,000 followers in only 12 months here. And all they post are like little comments like this, as far as just motivational quotes, pictures, they're kind of just showing. And these guys are getting crazy amount of traffic, crazy amount of likes. So if you want to create an Instagram post, an Instagram account, and just put like tutorials or little pictures, little quotes, stuff like that, you know, and then of course your link. Post it on the top, you know, so people could come and use it. They click on your link, they start buying. If you start getting crazy traffic, you'll get sales. You could actually get more and more sales. Now, of course, you're going to be actually if you're doing the keto one that we just kind of looked at, you're going to be looking at the health, right? So you're going to be posting fitness videos, posters, stuff like that. So you could also do what's called a whiteboard tutorial. So a lot of this is actually YouTube that you can kind of see it. So I personally like YouTube. That's actually one of the #1 ways for people to generate money or put affiliate links, because like I said in the beginning of this video, a lot of people are going towards the video section. They don't really look at texts, pictures and stuff like that. The video is actually the new thing right now. So YouTube is a crazy platform right now that you could actually start off. But like I said, if you don't want to put your face on there on YouTube, whiteboard tutorials, you know, make a script, have somebody build it or draw it, or even yourself if you know how to do that, all that video editing, and just create that, and then from time to time post your link up there. So that's also another way you can actually post, get your links out to traffic. Another one would be Facebook group. So Facebook group is really awesome, and it's actually really convenient because inside your Facebook group, it's pretty much you control what's inside it. So you can post your link on the top, you can pin it to the top where people see it. Like I said, create a health and fitness Facebook group, right? Start talking with other groups, get them into yours, talk about it, throw some value in there. The biggest thing is you want to actually provide value. Once you start providing value, customers are going to come into your group, they're going to trust you, they're going to be looking at your link, and before you know it, you're going to start generating sales just passively. So that's also another thing. And then of course, Pinterest. Pinterest is also a free platform. You can start posting, making little, I think they're called like pins. Start posting it on there. So these are all different ideas, all different kind of places that you can post your link. It's free. You just have to put the time and the effort in it. You have to put it in there. So the biggest thing is find a way. That's all you have to do. Find a way how to post your link, how to be creative, get people's attention, stuff like that. So that's just one way on using ClickBank. ClickBank is actually a really good, awesome platform that people use. As long as you do your research, you know where to find stuff, you know how to promote good products that people are going to like and accept. If they do, they're going to come back to you as a regular customer, and you'll be able to show them more stuff. Man, I'm kind of losing it right now. So that's pretty much all I got for today. All right, guys, like I said, I'll leave some links down on the bottom here just to kind of help you guys out as far as a ClickBank and stuff like that. If you do guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, the basics, how to start to become an affiliate marketer, ClickBank is one way. The way I learn and the way what I do is, like I said, like I was telling you earlier, I'm in the wealth section where I actually help other people start their affiliate marketing business. Okay, that's kind of what I am. I kind of teach and help other people there. I have a link down on the bottom. That's actually helped me so much, and I've learned so much by teaching. You think you know by when you learn, but when you start teaching is when you start getting down to the little details. Okay, if you guys have any questions, reach out to me, please. Please like, subscribe with this video here. Throw some questions down in the comment. I'll get back to you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, guys?